Okay, the last things we want to do is to create this little object here that'll represent the lawn and an object here to represent the cement slab. So let's create a new document and go to the Part Workbench and create a cube solid, and this cube we'll rename to grass, and the dimensions will make it our 60 inches by 60 inches by 2 inches. Oops, 2 inches. And we'll create another, we want to color that green, so we'll set colors. We'll click there and we'll make this green. And I will, I'll set the top and bottom and sides all to green here. I'm just going to pause the video a second. Okay, let's add the cement slab on top of it. So we'll rename this to cement. And we'll make it 48 by 48 by 2 inches. And you'll notice that they all have the same origin, so they're actually interspersed with each other right now. We need to move that cement slab up. So we can do that most easily by just going to its position and moving it up 2 inches. And now we have the grass and the cement slab. I've opened up this document for the pool filter that we created in one of the earlier videos, and I'm going to take the body of this pool filter and copy it, and we're going to copy it into our diagram here, so we'll paste it, and now we just have to move it into the right position. I've renamed it to filter tank. Let's transform it to start to get things right. I think we want to rotate it this direction. And we want to slide it and get it pretty close to the center of this slab. Let's see what this looks like from various perspectives. Okay, I've made the cement 50% transparent, so if we look at this now, we can see we've got this pool tank sitting down inside the cement, which is not what we want. We want it up, sitting right on top of the cement. We could, of course, just go and go to the filter tank and transform it and move it up. That would work. Moved it up too high there, just so I can show you the other way we can solve this. We know that the grass is 2 inches. We know that the cement is 2 inches, and this is in the Z direction. So if we make this 4 inches, it should be sitting right on top of the cement. Let's switch to the top view. If we wanted this to be dead center, we could also just go to the X and make it 24 and the Y and make it 24. And if we wanted it anywhere else, we would just pick the correct X and Y coordinates. So now we have it centered on the cement slab and resting right on the cement slab. I'm going to add one more part here before we stop this video and go to probably the final video. Out of our tank, we want a 90-degree elbow that's attached with a pipe and a union at this tank. So let's go to somewhere where we've created these parts before. So I know we have a union on this one here. Let's copy this part right here into, and we want to select all the dependencies, and we'll go here and paste it in. And you can see it right there. Let's get a good perspective so we can translate this thing over to where it belongs. So let's transform it, and we'll start getting it this direction, and we'll look at, make that okay, and we can see it's not good in this direction, so we'll go to the top and we'll transform it some more. So we'll go up and we'll go over a little bit. There we go. Let's see what this looks like. And now it's looking pretty good. I know that we would like this about 7.5 inches off the cement, so let's just see how far we got it. If we put a measurement there to there, we've got 20, whoops, I think I measured the wrong thing. You can see I picked a wrong part there. So let's do it again a little differently. I've hidden the cement and the grass. Let's do another measurement and see how far off we really are. We've got to make sure we're on the tank here. And we want to get to the very bottom of the tank. So let's go right here on the tank. And now you can see that we've got about 6.3 inches. So if I wanted to, we could select this union and we could transform it, and we could change the amount we want it to go up. Maybe we want it to go up 0.05 inches at a time. And then we could slide this up a little bit, and we could remeasure it again. So this looks pretty good, and I'm going to delete this distance object. And in the next video, we'll start putting together all the other pieces.